Have you ever had trouble expressing yourself and your emotions? Do you struggle with communication? Or maybe you are afraid of being hurt if you do express your feelings. Turquoise is the perfect stone to help you with these issues and help you communicate with ease. Turquoise has been revered as a powerful talisman throughout history due to its protective and healing properties. This mesmerizing stone encourages emotional balance, spiritual growth, self-confidence, and also serves as a constant reminder of your spiritual journey. This powerful stone is the perfect accessory for those seeking to harness its inherent energies and also serves as a reminder of our innate ability to manifest positive change in our lives. Turquoise has been used for thousands of years by almost every civilization that has discovered it. Some cultures believe it has spiritual properties, but all cultures have used it as decoration. It has long been known for its beauty and has been made into ornaments, religious talismans, altars, brooches, belts, and jewelry since its discovery. Turquoise is a perfect choice for those seeking both protection and communication during their meditation practice. This stone has long been used as a tool for enhancing one's ability to express themselves with clarity and confidence. When meditating with turquoise, one can tap into its soothing energy and release any emotional obstacles that may be blocking them from effectively communicating their needs and desires. By meditating with turquoise, you can cultivate a deeper sense of calm and clarity, making it a valuable addition to any meditation practice. Wearing or keeping turquoise with you is no less popular today than it was 7,000 years ago. It is a perfect way to keep its powerful protection energy with you. Turquoise jewelry can range from cheap pendants to artisan pieces that cost thousands of dollars. Because of its connection to the throat chakra, it can be especially helpful to wear a turquoise necklace to keep it close to that area. This will ensure that you are able to express yourself in a positive and protective way. To maximize its benefits, it is commonly advised to wear a turquoise ring on your dominant hand. The reason for this is that your dominant hand is typically connected to your conscious actions and thus better aligns the stone's energies with your intentions. This placement also helps to channel its protective and rejuvenating energies more efficiently. By wearing a turquoise ring on the designated hand, you can access the amplified potential of this remarkable stone, encouraging overall well-being and helping you to attain personal and spiritual growth. It can be especially helpful to keep your turquoise with you if you have a big presentation or speech to make, or if you know you will be meeting with someone with whom you have trouble communicating with. It can also be beneficial to keep a larger piece of turquoise in the place in your home where there is the most communication. However you choose to use turquoise, it is very important to cleanse it often to uphold its protective energy and keep negativity away. Turquoise is porous and can be damaged by cleansing it in water, so it is best to avoid that method. Cleansing techniques that will not damage your stone include using smoke, sound baths, or laying it under the light of the full moon. Turquoise is a powerful accessory for those seeking to harness its protective energies and also serves as a reminder of our innate ability to manifest positive change in our lives.